How to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. To get started, head down and click the link in the description down below. Then head up to the top left-hand side, click on PDF and e-signatures, and under Products, we're going to select Acrobat Reader. And then all you need to do is click on the blue Download Now button. And then if you want to check all of the features you get access to, you can go through all of those. Then at the bottom, you can choose between Acrobat Reader, Acrobat Pro, or Acrobat Studio. Now you can see all the differences at the bottom. If you want to go for the Pro or the Studio, then you can just try out the free trial. If you just want the Acrobat Reader, then click on Download Now. It's going to take you over to the Adobe Acrobat Reader page, and then click on Download Acrobat Reader. And the download will start in the top right-hand side. If you're on a Mac, if you're on a PC, it'll be slightly different. And then once the download has finished, you can double click on it to install the DMG file. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader, let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Acrobat Reader as much as we do.